Okay, if you watch some of my other tutorial videos on maintenance, we have a lot of different videos on boats, how to maintenance and take care of things. I use the DeWalt greaser, as you can see in some of my previous videos. I go through the tutorials on how to take the batteries off, how to put the grease in, how to grease your Zerk fittings, how to grease your bearing buddies. So check out a lot of our YouTube videos. We are providing a lot of information on how to keep your stuff running good. This is how to store your DeWalt 12 volt. So when I'm all done, this comes with a beautiful case. I like to put it in here. And this thing, believe it or not, is almost 2 years old. And you can see it's still brand new. When you take care of things, they last. They come in this heavy duty box. And then you're just going to close this up. Pardon me there. And then clamp it down on each end. And there you go. It's all ready for the next time. I do this on my boat. And all my Zerk fittings on my hydraulic jack plate. And everything is put back together down here. They're all lubed up and good to go. Check us out, gethookmagicbaits.com, for all your fishing supplies. If you want to order, we got fishing line, braided line, fluorocarbon line, monofilament line. Some of the best fishing line out, with hundreds of soft plastics and other fishing supplies. Stay tuned. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and hit that subscribe button so you're notified when we post up our great videos. We have a lot more coming.